Hello, welcome to this session. This is Gabriel, and today I want to show you how you can actually create a flyer at uh, using a ChatGPT. AI have done a lot of things, and it has reduced a lot of work for people, and you can do a lot of things now. And with the advantage of you being at QuickBolo, you can have access to this training step by step on how to create your first flyer using ChatGPT. So for you to do that, you just need to make sure that you arrange your prompts very well. Now, what are you going to ask? You tell him, create me a flyer for my graphic design services and use the following contact details. We're just going to make something very small and simple, okay? Then we have WhatsApp 6544318857 and email info at gatech or at quickbolo.com. Okay. Assume that you're a graphic designer and you want to create a flyer for your services. You use this prompt. My company name is QuickBolo. Okay. And if you have a logo, you can just simply upload a logo. Let us go. Let me upload. You upload your logo, and this is a logo. They say use Abo logo and the color on it. You launch it. So once it's done, you launch and you wait for some few minutes. I'm going to pause the video for some time so the video should not be too long. Okay, I'm actually unable because what I'm using a free version of this screen recorder for desktop, so it is sometimes kind of crazy. So one of the way in which I have seen that you can actually also do to accelerate this creating process is by refreshing your screen. Okay, so right now we're doing the final touches and adding final things on it. So one last tweak. So we are just about to get it set, and just few seconds, everything will be set. So if you are interested in learning some of these skills, learning about AI at QuickBolo, just register on your go to quickbolo.com and then register your account at once, and you are set to go. You will learn these skills, all these skills that we're going to be training you about affiliate marketing, about digital marketing. You're going to learn them all for just 3,000 francs. Everything for just 3,000 francs. So I'm going to refresh the screen or the page so that the image can be created faster. Okay, this is another technique that you can use to always create your image faster, because ChatGPT will see that this is for an emergency and it's going to create that image for you faster. So that's basically how this image is done. You can see how beautiful it is. Okay, how beautiful. So we're going to right click and we'll save on our desktop. We'll say graphic design QuickBolo. Okay, that's how you can actually create a flyer using ChatGPT. Thank you and see you on the other side.